Mitel Micollab now offers Active Directory integration for provisioning users, providing your IT staff with a familiar interface for provisioning and managing users. Where they would normally enter the data attributes for a user, now they can also add telephony, unified communication, and collaboration features and functionality. Because it's a familiar interface, this is going to result in less training for IT staff, increased productivity, as well as improve the onboarding experience for new employees, allowing them to be up and running faster with the features and functionality they require. Using roles and templates, Mitel's also packed a lot of flexibility into the user provisioning, giving you the ability to group employees by department, geographical location, job function, or licensing bundle. Let's take a look at provisioning a user for your Mitel solution using Active Directory. Mitel's Micollab interface is a great place to manage your users. However, most businesses these days have one group managing their telephony and unified communication users, as well as their data users, which is why Mitel integrates with Active Directory for user provisioning. The Active Directory synchronization is done using attribute mappings. So Mitel is simply going to look on the Active Directory server for information programmed in the defined fields, and we're going to bring that information in and apply it to telephony users. There's nothing to add or change on the domain controller. We're simply going to add an ldap synchronizer that will go in and look for new user information for the Mitel system. You can also enable authentication so that your user authentication is managed by Active Directory. And you can defer all user updates so that they don't get propagated directly out to your phone system. You can look at them before they do get propagated. We can also schedule how often the sync is performed. Let's create a user in Active Directory and have it brought over to the Micollab system. So we're going to select new user, give the user a name, and login, define a password, once the user is created, we can define the telephony variables. So if we go back and look at our Mitel application suite, we can see some important attributes we've defined are the email address, the primary telephone directory number, which is telephone, as well as the role, which is the description. So we're going to go back and make sure we fill out those options. So the role, we will select Premium Demo, telephone number, and email address. Apply that. Then we'll go back to the Micollab server and we'll initiate a sync with the Active Directory server. We can see this picked up one new entry. And there's our user. All we have to do to add it to the Mitel system is select it and save. We'll then go check and we can see that the user was created. And you can see their extensions and all of the assigned features. And we can see that it assigned the appropriate licensing bundle and features to that user. Thank you for watching. For more information on this and other features, please visit mitel.com.